So peeps, I think one of the most cruel ironies in life is somebody losing their lives while attending a funeral or leaving a funeral. You understand what I say? But this has happened in the past, and unfortunately it happened again today in downtown Kingston as 9 persons were shot, 2 fatal, while 7 persons are currently being treated in hospital. These are the details. Gunmen surprised mourners at the King's Chapel on Windward Road in Kingston, killing 2 people and injuring 7 others Sunday afternoon. The victims were attending the funeral service of 30-year-old Romain Anthony White when gunshots rang out. White, a higgler, was stabbed to death about a month ago on Beckford Street in downtown Kingston during a dispute over a parking space. The gunmen reportedly traveled in cars and on motorbikes. Pandemonium reportedly broke out at the church once the shooting started, with the attendees fleeing in all directions. Mourners reportedly managed to corner one of the attackers and beat him mercilessly. He was, however, rescued by the police and was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he is in protective custody. Chief Executive Officer of the Kingston Public Hospital, Errol Green, said 2 of the victims were taken into surgery and the others were being treated in the accident and emergency area. Meanwhile, Senior Medical Officer at the institution, Dr. Natalie Wiley, said the incident resulted in additional surgeons and nurses being summoned for duty. In addition, Wiley said 4 emergency theatres had to be open. Boy, me I tell you.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 you beat and teach.
So imagine waking up this morning and deciding that you'd go to pay your last respects for a friend or a family member, and it turns out that you end up losing your life or you are shot and injured. For what? Boy, may I tell you, I wish we could answer the question, peeps. But what could possess men to drive up to this funeral in their cars, ride up on their bikes and open fire on the proceedings? Obviously, they have targets. So you not kill, you not shoot up the whole funeral for 1 or 2 people. I mean, and the mourners that caught one of the shooters. Why did the police rescue? The police never rescue him. May I tell you the truth? He's not supposed to be in the hospital and use up things with taxpayer money buy, and then go to jail, go eat things with taxpayers money and pay for. Him not deserve it, him not worth it. It's a pity so them never catch everybody, them should then still beat him. You understand? So hopefully those 7 persons would have sustained injuries. They will be able to pull through and there will be no more fatalities added to the 2, and I hope that the police will make some inroads in finding the persons responsible for this cowardly act. Them are coward. You understand what I say? I mean, boy, I mean, I know. Peeps, be careful, yeah, man. What good. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.